I'm in progress that make a generative mirror. And today I will add some little feature that make and delete appears and disappear a specified walls by coordinate value x and y columns and row value. I think it is simple. I'll make this not this. I make this function to public and appear pillar public void appear pillar, and we need to define new variable that um, int array target pillar equals new array new int size of int 2 array size of 2 of int. Each element represent x column value and rows value. Because I cannot give a parameter to these, external udon graph gives change this value first and call this value. And this make a change to a target pillar. And I found this way is possible, but maybe there can be a better way. And up here, the pillar, target pillar is target pillar is well pillars. Mm, target pillar one times map size dot 0 plus target pillar 0. But I think it's too long and some complicated that I can make some mistake. And I will make an array pillars map size and two-dimensional game object array. And when I initialize map, I will initialize this array and give each game object to this into this array. And then I can find the game object like this target pillar 0 and target pillar 1. And this is so much better, so much simpler than this. Let's look at this initialize map. And I don't think this needs to be initialize map. Just initialize and initialize first and parse data after. And in initialize, pillar array equals new game object array that map size 0 and for x equals 0 from 0 to map size 0 x plus plus pillar array that x equals new uh, game object array size is map size 1. And now let's see, replace this to this 2, not row value. Yes, looks like this. And here, first pillar array that x comma z is current pillar. And I can use this dot set active true. And this up here, pillar is same, set active false. And if I want to call this event in other udon behavior or U sharp udon graph, I change this target filler array and call this up here or disappear function. Let's check. Let's make a simple udon graph. That the type of namespace game object could not be found. 게임 오브젝트. 게임 오브젝트 존재하지 않는다. 게임 오브젝트. X does not exist. Int game object. game object. Now is it okay? I think it's okay. Mhm. Initialize. Color array is a new game object array, and array X is a new game object like this. Pillar array dot x comma z is current pillar. Just for test, I will call target pillar equals 0 comma 0. No, 0. Is it already 0? My data? No. And this can be show my map 1. 0, 0 is 1. And if it is work, let's check. There is a problem. What if I delete this line? There is a problem. And I edit this. And this. And change this. Maybe it was the problem. Again. Mm-hmm. It works. Okay. Is there a problem? No, there is no problem. And let's call this disappear. Appear. Disappear. Pillar. And target pillar is new int array 0, 0. Yes, this. Okay. It works. And for last, let's test is this can be called in external scripts. Let's make a new Udum graph. Change trigger. No. I don't know how should I call this graph. Pillar. Pillar. Toggle trigger. And I want to change some variable and call event in map manager when I interact with something. And I want to specify which rows and columns pillar and coordinate. Let's make it public. And when I interact with that trigger object, I will change set program variable. The symbol name is target pillar. String const string target pillar. Let's change the symbol name to coordinate. And custom event and custom event and event name is here. And I'm curious about game object. More pillars. A zero. Get active. That is active. Active. Do something. Mm-hmm. Active self. And maybe toggle. Void toggle pillar. And if let's check if this target pillar or pillar target pillar that not target pillar array the target pillar 0 target pillar 1 that set get active self equals true disappear pillar. Or appear pillar. And let's call this function in this graph. Toggle pillar. Ctrl C, copy and paste. Okay. And I will use another trigger and give it a pillar toggle trigger. And I want to control this 0 by 0 pillar. And that's it. No, not that's it. I have to assign map manager. That's it. Yes, it works. And now I can use like when I step somewhere, a pillar's gone or pillars created appears. And I can make a trap or various or dynamic to my mirror depending on where player is. Okay, today's videos for now it is good I'm really satisfying what I made. And see you on the next video. It was so much fun. Looks beautiful. Maybe now I can make an animation effect when pillar appears and disappear. Not just toggle, or it can come from sky and goes to ground, or scale 0 to these 1. Looks like this. Mm, mm, like this. And then I'll give this some more nice style, like texture or brick texture or concrete texture. And maybe I have to find some storytelling about this mirror. For now, it's enough. Let's see you another video. Thank you and bye bye.